Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be installing a front bumper mod. It's going to be the fog light garnish that goes around the edge of it. Makes it look a little bit more aggressive in the front. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for watching the channel. If you would, go ahead and subscribe and like and comment. It really does help me out. Tells me what I need to do, and I've already had some requests for some other videos that I'm going to do. So just anyways, we're going to go ahead and get started on this video. It should be really quick and simple. I expect this video to be like 5 minutes long, so I shouldn't be here that long. So as you can see, my front bumper is filthy. I'm just going to clean up the areas that I need to clean up before I put the pieces on. So in my last video, my friend told me that there was a lot of wind noise in the background, so I went ahead and added an external mic to try to help with that wind noise. I won't know if it's any good until the end of the video when I edit this and watch it, but hopefully it sounds better than it did last time because it was really windy when I washed it back. So it actually comes with two pieces. It comes with a piece that goes right here and the main piece that goes around the outside edge right here. I'm only going to be installing the outside edge because I don't like the way this looks on the car. Like, this just looks really tacky and cheap. That just looks really bad. I don't like that. So these aren't going on the car today. What I'm really concerned about is these pieces right here. So these pieces right here actually go around the edge of the fog light like that. It just makes it look so much more aggressive. So it's really simple, just 3M, throw it on there, and be done. So it looks really good so far, but I will say one thing, it's a little bit too aggressive for how the car looks right now. Like, I don't have wheels on it, it's not lowered, so. Alright guys, like I said, it's going to be a really short video. As you can see, I'm done with the install. It looks really good. It's a little bit too aggressive for like right now, but once I add the front lip, it's going to be perfect, I think. So thanks again for watching. If you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe and like the video, and also comment on what you want me to do later. Also, if you would, follow my Instagram and like my photos over there too. It really helps get my name out there and helps me out. And it also shows me that you actually like the content. I have a lot more videos in the pipeline right now that I'm working on. Someone asked me to do a video on my rear wing. So I'm actually gonna fix it because it's actually messed up a little bit, but you'll see that in a different video. But that's it for right now. So thanks again for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment.
3-0, 3-0, 3-0.